Hello everyone, my name is Xuchen Yao, Product Manager at SeaChat AI. Today I'm going to show you how to use SeaX the platform to bulk send WhatsApp messages and campaigns. First of all, you have a SeaX, our platform, right over here. And also you also need to have a WhatsApp phone number, which is actually registered with the WhatsApp business platform. So once you get to two of those, you can actually use our platform to create a WhatsApp campaign and then massively send those messages to your recipients. Let's get started. First of all, you can sign in right over here. And then we give you multiple different workspaces. Let me just choose one. From this workspace, as you can tell, I have multiple different phone numbers and WhatsApp numbers registered. Your interface might look different if that's empty. And what you're gonna do is you first go to workspace, and then you click on numbers right over here. So from here, we're gonna show you a bunch of different numbers. For instance, this is a WhatsApp number in the channel part. This weird looking number is actually phone numbers with a SIP trunking. And also another WhatsApp number. And this is a normal phone number that's capable of SMS, MMS, and phone calls, and a bunch of others from different countries in the world. So from this user interface, if you have a phone call enabled, an SMS enabled numbers, you could actually make a dial as a contact center or also send SMS, etc. But what I'm going to show you is the WhatsApp business platform. So if you go to channels right over here, instead of numbers, you go to channels, you would say we have connected with WhatsApp business platform. So make sure that your WhatsApp number is actually part of a WhatsApp business platform. What do I mean by this, right? So if I may show you the difference, I go to SeaChat.ai under use cases, and I have WhatsApp customers right over here. Basically, you have three kinds of different WhatsApp numbers or apps, right? The first two are WhatsApp app and WhatsApp business app, using which you can all download an app from either the Play Store or App Store to install on your phone. One is for consumer and the other one is for business. Both apps allows you to scan up to 4 different devices. So sometimes when you have a small team or just by yourself, you can actually make do with those 2 apps. However, once you want to scale, you have to upgrade your WhatsApp business app into WhatsApp business platform. Sometimes it's called a Meta Cloud API. So from here, you would actually lose access to your cell phone app, but gain a lot of different, more powerful capabilities in terms of massively messaging other different kind of contexts. So once you have this right over here, you go inside the SeaX and then click on Workspace, Channels, WhatsApp Business Platform, and then you can add a contact right over here. Right. So I already have 2 numbers added right over here, but if you don't have it, what you're gonna do is you click on this add account button, and continue logging with your Meta Business Suite account, right? Continue to choose your different account information. For instance, I have selected SeaChat AI. Click on Next, etc., and then find your registered WhatsApp business numbers, right? So both of our numbers are registered over here. You click on Next, and all the way next, you click on Continue, and then Meta would actually connect your WhatsApp numbers with SeaChat AI's own and SeaX platform. So it's right over here, right? So we have 2 numbers connected. Once you have this one connected, you could actually go to your Meta Business Manager and view what's going on over there, right? Well, actually, you first go to Meta Business Manager on the phone numbers. Make sure that both phone numbers, or if you have any numbers here, are the status is connected and quality is high, so you know that you can use those numbers to send WhatsApp messages, right? So okay, now you have this one connected. You want to send a bulk WhatsApp campaign. Let me change to my phone numbers right over here. WhatsApp number right over here. So from this screen, you can click on bulk send and a call, right? With bulk send and a call, you can send SMS, phone calls, or WhatsApp numbers right over here. But first of all, you can say, okay, because you have to segment all your recipients with the different labels or tags, you first have to upload your contacts into this platform. SeaX actually gives you unlimited contacts to be uploaded into our platform. So if you click on contacts right over here, and I actually have we have to create your own contacts, right? So you could say, okay, this is a person name, my name Xu Qian, and then with a phone number. What you're gonna do is make sure that you have the WhatsApp number here, and this all follows this E.164 formats right over here. Starts with plus country code, right? And then you can put in some notes, etc. right over here, right? So another way is to batch upload, right? If you click on import from CSV, and you can actually download the contact templates right over here, and you open up these templates, and then you can fill in this information, right? So I already have some templates written. So let me show you the CSV file I got. Let me just drag this to this screen. And with this file, I have the name, WhatsApp number, and the different labels, address, business emails, etc. Right? So as you can tell, I got the labels here separated by comma. So we actually would create two labels, WA1 and WA2, with different fields, etc. But the most important part is to follow these E.164 formats to input either WhatsApp or numbers, phone numbers right over here, right? So I'm gonna close this one and then drag this file in here. Then we're gonna start uploading. Okay, this one has been uploaded, and then I have chosen to filter by WA1. As you can tell, as you can see, I have those two WhatsApp numbers uploaded with both labels WA1 and WA1 actually, right? So and also my own personal number is actually put on the label WA2 as well, right? So now you can select different labels and then start a bulk sending campaign, right? So again, you go to bulk send and a call, you click on WhatsApp, and then now let's find the two different labels. I want to send it to both WA1 right over here. Continue the contacts, preview that the contacts are good, and then continue to senders. I actually have two numbers right over here. I'm going to use the other one. This one for production usage, right? So I would say like WA1 campaign on some certain date. And then the second part is to select templates, right? So templates with WhatsApp Business Platform has to be registered and approved by Meta. So if you go to your WhatsApp manager over here under Manage Templates, you have, from this screen, I actually have all kinds of different templates managed by Meta. You could actually create your own template by clicking the button right over here. For instance, like default, you have some marketing template, and then go to next. You can actually do something, with a name as a variable, number, etc., template name, and then even putting some media samples, images, videos, etc., documents. Whatever you like to put, and then also a few buttons right over here, right? So custom buttons, visit website, etc. Right? Once this is all done, you click on the button called Submit for review, and once this is approved, it's gonna show up here, right? So it's gonna show up inside your Meta templates. So this is all approved, right? If this is approved, you could actually synchronize those templates back to our SeaX platform. So what you're gonna do is still go under channels and then go over here and then click on the button called Synchronize from WhatsApp right over here. So in this way, you can have this approved templates synchronize it to our platform, right? So once this is done, this is all good. I'm gonna select the template, for instance, a test, maybe just a test name, right? So I continue to review, and you say the template is just a hello name in double brackets. This is a test message. And that's actually going to replace name as a variable with a real variable value right over here, right? So you could send to more than thousands or tens of thousands different recipients, but now we just preview the first 3 contacts for your convenience. So from here, if this is all good, then you click on send now. Okay, I clicked this too much, right? So I can actually can cancel, right? It will give you 10-second regretting time, because a lot of our users felt, oh, okay, it's all sent out, right? I still have something to modify, right? So now after 10 seconds, or if you click on send now, if you're the impatient ones, and then we're gonna send out those messages out, right? So I actually have my WhatsApp message right over here. Let's pull out my WhatsApp account. You say, hello, Xuchen Yao, this is a test message, right? And then if I reply, hi, I got your message, right? I got your message right over here, and you can tell, and you can see that here from the tab we show you this little one unread for SeaXat.ai right over here, and inside the conversations, you would say that this message just got a reply. Because WhatsApp Business Platform is heavily regulated. When a customer contacts you, we have actually 24-hour window to reply, right? So hello, reply back, right over here. And then after this message was sent out, the recipient would actually get this message as well, right? We have another platform called SeaChat with the SeaXat.ai that actually help you automatically reply to whatever incoming messages on WhatsApp. But that's another episode for another day, right? But this one basically shows you what's going on with this. If you want to check out the result of the campaign, you actually go inside the campaign. So right over here, we have all kinds of different status: SMS, phone calls, WhatsApp, and Megasend. Megasend is for short code with a 5 to 8 digit phone numbers, and which allows you to send to hundreds of different messages per second. Now we click on WhatsApp. With this campaign, you would say, okay, I actually have 1 delivered and 1 failed, right? So if you go to logs right over here, you see my own personal number is delivered. This is another WhatsApp, I believe it's a WhatsApp business number, our own WhatsApp business number, and for some reason this one's failed, right? But that's okay. I'm glad that this one failed, so that gives you some kind of a sending status, so you wouldn't know, okay, is not 100% of messages all got delivered, right? So that's it, right? So this gives you a brief overview of how to connect your WhatsApp numbers through the workspace channels, and then please make sure that all your numbers right over here have a connected status. It shows green, and this one shows green. And then what you're gonna do is to go to Manage Templates, have a templates approved by Meta. And finally, once this everything is all done, synchronize your WhatsApp back to our platform with your WhatsApp templates. Now you can happily upload contacts. Our SeaX platform allows you to batch upload contacts, and we do not put any limit on the number of contacts that you upload to this system. So even just 2 contacts or even 200,000 contacts will allow that, and the pricing is the same. And once you have it, click on bulk send and call, and starting sending away WhatsApp messages by applying and selecting different labels of your contacts. And finally, once if you have sent too many messages and you got too many replies from your contacts, you found a automated messaging platform that can reply to your replies. You could actually use SeaChat, the AI agent, with our WhatsApp SeaX platform to provide a response 24/7 and almost in real time. That's it. Well, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for another episode with bulk sending and a call.